Marco!
Boy, sa kamay, boy! Mamay, tayo na ko!
Marky!
Isang naabot ka ng agahan ang kung saan sa na para bang walang kinabukasan. At yan ay kahantungan, at yan ay seseryoso ang usapan.
Pareho pa rin!
Ang tunay na pagkakaibigan.
Bait yan, pre. Kata!
Sana guys. Pinag-work yun. Work is the with the night. Let's go. Parang rest house lang pala to guys, tapos pinaparintahan nila guys. Ayan, pinarintahan to ni Mark yun guys, kasi birthday niya guys is may swimming pool guys. Tingnan mo swimming pool guys, masyadong mababa guys eh. At saka masyadong maliit din ang swimming pool guys, pero flowing siya guys. Open mo yung post doon guys, madalo din. Pwede mo makita yung paligid guys. Yan yung sa baba guys, kasi nandito guys, tinan guys, bukid yan guys, hindi na makita guys kasi gabi na. Bukid yan guys. Yan ang bahay guys, bahay lang yata to guys, is rest house, tapos po rent guys, kung sinong mag-renta. Ano yung daanan guys, yun, highway na yun guys. Ito guys, okay naman, rest house, peaceful, walang ibang tao guys. Kami lang, tinan mo yung kuya ko guys, minom ng soft drinks kasi kaya tapos na kumain. Maganda guys.
Pero tao, gusto mo.
Nagkamala yung photo!
party sa Contino Martins. Tagi talaga guys. First singer. Yan, first singer namin yan.
Yesterday I felt the window around my shoulder. Feel like I'm getting older. Still I can't forget your face. Separated by a million miles of ocean. My heart still feels emotion. Even in this lonely place. Photographs and places I remember. It's like a dying ember that's burning into my soul. Even though we walk the diamond-studded highways, that the country lanes and byways, that makes us slow for home. Happy birthday, Mark!
Happy birthday!
Lately I just find my mind was turning to dreaming, making it last since
Happy birthday, Marco! Hey, sakali mo, Marco! Mamaya din tayo na tayo.
Marky!
Isang nakabot pa nagagahan ng kung saan sa na para bang walang kinabukasan. At dyan ay kahantunan, at dyan ay seseryoso ang usapan.
Pare!
Ang tunay na kapatagaibigan. Kaibigan na mananangin. Hindi na tayo hindi ba di nakakalata sa mga piging. Nagsasawa pero bakit ganun?
Bait yan, pre. Kanta!
Lockdown na yung kasama namin guys. Lockdown na guys. Hindi na kinaya. Kinaya yung inuwi na yun guys. Maraming pangalap na tira guys. Hindi pa nga naubos guys. Wala. 4 na boxes guys. Hindi na ubos guys. Lockdown na guys. Yan, ang ganda ng Pukirin guys. Yung resort namin guys.